I will be unboxing an Arduino starter set right here in this video. So I'm actually excited about this. I've been looking forward to, it's actually brand new, so if the seal bar is broken. And it's from Elegoo. I would show where in Amazon I bought it from. This is the products, whatever. Anyways, we're not here for all of that. We're here to just unbox it and talk about what I plan on doing with an Arduino set. I've always wanted to have one, but I don't know why it has taken me so long. I guess money, obviously. Money issues. I guess you guys should be seeing the unboxing process, but fuck. That's a lot of glue, man. But here we are. This is what it looks like. The brand I bought it from, Amazon, I would put a description, or I'll show it. I'll show like the Amazon this thing that I bought it from. So nothing to. It's basically Arduino, but with a brand, and it has a lot of distinct components in there. Obviously, the Arduino board. That's an LCD. RFID reader. This is actually one of the reasons I bought it, because I want to use this prototype expansion module. I guess that's for your light this thing. For your jumper cables, supply module. Like as you can see, a lot of stuff here in here. That's joystick. Interesting. This is all that's in here. You have water level detection sensor. I plan on building projects with this remote control, obviously. 1-digit segment display cable. I don't know what this is actually. I need to do my own work. Passive buzzer. Yeah, I'm just excited because I've actually wanted to get one of these for a long time, but just time, money, and resources. And now that I'm uploading videos regularly now, so I can just like, you know, play around with projects and stuff like that. This is probably, I think it's projects that you can build by yourself in here, not in here. And a lot of components. This is the board actually. It's quite small if you are wondering. It's not massive. No, this is not this is the Arduino board. It's actually quite small if you look at it. And all the components, all the jumper cables in here. Pretty extensive Arduino set, if I'm being honest. Yeah, this is what is this? I actually have no idea. I'll figure it out. And the thing is, I've taken like courses on Arduino before, which was when I was doing my bachelor's degree. Jumper cables here, a lot of them by the way. So you won't have any like complaints about running out. Different colors, obviously. This is the power supply cable, I think. I'm not sure. The water detection levels and stuff like that. Don't know what this is. Everything looks interesting to me, honestly. I just can't wait to get started on projects with this. And the thing is, I actually don't know if I'll have the time. I don't know how soon I'll like be able to. These are resistors, I think. Or whatever. I think at least I think they are resistors. This is the RFID reader, I think. Yeah, right here. I'll actually probably do something with this first as my first project, because I want to try something out with it. A fan. It's plastic, really cheap. And yeah, extensive stuff. I've done Arduino before, like I've coded with it, but that was during my bachelor's and it was a long time ago. So I'll be doing homework. I'll be try to upload regularly stuff about embedded engineering. Like it seems interesting to me. This is actually a very extensive set, so I'm actually excited for this. The board is right here. I guess open it here. So this is the board. Looks clean, smells nice actually. Yeah. So get this connected to my laptop and start working on projects, and definitely take you through the process on how I'm building it and stuff like that. If you have any ideas for projects, please let me know so I can, have a head start or something. And I think honestly with this I can build almost anything. All you're limited by is your imagination. So I know I don't sound excited by this, but actually it's just I'm just so tired. I've waited a long time for this. I've actually waited a long time for this, so I'll get around to playing with it and see what I can build. Look online for projects and stuff like that. Like I said, I've worked with Arduino before. That was during my bachelor's degree, electrical engineering, and yeah, it should not be too much of a hassle because I have a background in, this is I don't know what this is, expansion module, I think. Yeah. And what else is in here? This is pretty sensitive. Anyways, I don't know. The solderless breadboard, yeah, for the jumper cables and all of that. So excited to see what I can build with this, and talk to you later. If you're still watching at this side of the video, thank you very much. I noticed a couple of things as I was packing up. This is not actually the extensive list of things that are in there, and I'm beginning to believe this claim, like the most complete starter set. Obviously it's on the more expensive side of I hope you guys can see me, by the way. I'm not sure if it's in the right angle. I know it's on the more expensive side of like embedded engineering, like pricing and stuff like that. So it actually has a speaker. Like I'm just looking more and more. It has a speaker. It has, where's the speaker? Obviously it has a motor. It has so many things that I actually don't know. I actually don't know what I'm gonna use them for. So I'm actually excited to dive deep into this. If you know what this is, let me know. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is what I showed you earlier. Whatever. It has a heavy duty cell also. So again, like, what more can you ask for? I think a keypad or something like that. Yeah, I think so. The display module. This is the 7. Yeah, don't worry about it. Again, if you have any ideas for projects, please, I'm obviously going to have to work hard for this. It's not going to be as easy as, just because I'm a programmer, so I'm kind of, yeah, here is the speaker. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching the video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What should I look out for? What should I be excited to test out and stuff like that?